This is why you need sweaty walls in the summer. Sounds odd, but ancient builders in China were onto something brilliant. In rural China, rammed earth walls hold secret powers. When summer hits, these walls sweat, releasing moisture stored deep inside. It's nature's own air conditioning, cooling homes without a single fan. Locals whisper that these living walls can breathe. Want more wild wonders hidden in plain sight? Stick around. Earth's secrets are just getting started.